All right, y'all, welcome back to Fresh Food Friday. Today we are making a yummy protein and fiber Tex-Mex bowl. Now, if this corn salsa looks familiar, it's because I made it on, I want to say the 4th of July. I was in a rush to go see an air show and some fireworks, so I didn't really give this one the due that it deserves. So since I'm now doing full length Fresh Food Fridays, I wanted to redo this corn salsa, but also add some shrimp and rice and make it a full bowl and show you the application. I have made this for my mother recently in Atlanta. I made this for my daughters. They love it. Everybody that tries this recipe loves it, even people that don't necessarily like to eat healthy. My daughter genuinely cannot stand beans, but she loves this corn salsa. It is very meal preppable. And if you're always in a rush, if you never have time to cook, this is the perfect thing for you. And it's so nutrient and fiber rich, protein rich. Like, this is really going to help you to stay on track. And the longer it sits, honestly, the better it gets. So let me show you guys how to make this one. I'm so excited about it. Let's go. Fresh food, fresh hair. It's Friday. So this recipe comes together really easily. As you see, I have everything prepped, but let's talk about the specs on this one and specifically what it's going to do to help you with healthy hair growth. So we are trying to not spike our blood sugar. That's number one. And so everything we have here, the black beans, which are high in iron and folate, B vitamins, fiber, is going to work with the vitamin C from the tomatoes. The corn is high fiber. The avocado is high fiber with also some added micronutrients. And then you're going to get the protein from the Greek yogurt dressing. This recipe is everything that you're going to need to help you to get on the right track and get your healthy hair growth journey started. I have made this many times since the first time that I made it. And if you put this one on repeat, just make you a big tub of it and just add steak to it, put it on a tortilla, add some protein to it, some shrimp, do a bowl. Like, there are so many ways that you can eat this, but just keep this in your refrigerator and it'll help you to instinctively go to healthier options rather than snacking on unhealthy, simple carbs. To assemble the bowl, I just wanted to do some shrimp for some added protein. Shrimp is a really good option for this because we're having rice and we're also having some kind of high calorie, even though they're good for you. Avocado is a little high calorie, beans. So you have a lot of starches going on. So the calories are a little bit higher on that. So instead of doing a high calorie protein, I did the leanest protein that I could think of, which would be shrimp. The protein to calorie ratio is insane. Like, shrimp is incredibly lean. So I wanted to top this bowl off with some shrimp and then do a little bit of rice on the side just to give you that little bit of satisfaction of having rice. And then a good nice size mound of our bean dip, our corn salsa, corn bean salsa, I don't know. Now this recipe is already on my website, so I'm not gonna redo a whole another recipe, but I will say the only thing I did differently, I put feta cheese inside of the sauce. Now the sauce is what makes this recipe. It is so tasty. It's like, it has the vinegar and some chipotle, some Greek yogurt, some 0-calorie sweetener. Like, it's just like a flavor bomb. Like, every single component, smoky, sweet, tangy, everything. It's so good. And if you like sour cream, but you're trying to stay away from those really high calorie creamy sauces, then this is a great option for you. Now let me remind you, everything on my website is buy two get one free other than the bundle. So right now you can get all of your favorite hair care essentials. I have a full hair care line. You can also get my recipes there, but I have a full hair care line and you can get everything buy two get one free for my birthday celebration. So if you want to tell me happy birthday, just use code HBD Kelly with the Y. And you will get buy two, get one free, because I turned 36. So I tried to do a play on the 36. Every third and every sixth product is free. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you've made it to this point in the video, I surely appreciate you. Consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on more fresh ideas. All right, later.